good evening. We're coming to you from Staunton, Virginia. We're here at the Tru Hotel by Hilton. We got ourselves a room reservation here. We've been driving all day, so we're tired. Can't wait to go inside and get checked in and show you what this place is all about. Hoping it's going to be like every other standard Tru Hotel, but we'll see when we get inside. You never know what surprises we'll find. So come along with us. Let's go find out. Let's go make some memories.
Nice little entranceway here. They do have a smoking area right there. A couple of chairs and tables there. Here they have the lobby area. They have plenty of seating. My daughter loves these rocking chairs. Plenty of seating for breakfast in the morning, and all of these seats have outlets at the bottom too, so if you needed to charge something, and there's some on the walls as well, which is great. And then we have the front lobby area. They have the snacks here that you could buy. They have the local items, which I always look forward to seeing. Another breakfast area here with more outlets. This is the breakfast area in general, and in the morning we'll show you this with the breakfast items. Here they have the business center. They have a printer if you need to print something. They have a couple nice sitting areas with some chargers as well, and a computer that you can use free of charge. Then they have the coffee station right here with some teas and some coffee, which I will get some because that sounds really good. And then they have the game area, which I love this area. This hotel doesn't have a pool, so this makes up for it. They have plenty of games over there. They have foosball in this location, Connect 4, and a little like Tetris game. And as you can see, the pretty mural back there. And more seating with more outlets. And a nice TV as well. So this kind of makes up for the lack of pool if you should need some entertainment.
One thing that's different about this one is it doesn't have a pool table.
Yeah, that's why I said that this one has foosball. I know. I think it shows like it's a charging station, or maybe it's a way for you to recharge and just leave your stuff in here.
Yeah, so it stays locked in.
It says to turbocharge your devices.
Hey, you plug it in.
Oh, okay, you plug it in and leave it safe. Okay. Okay, don't do that. No. You gotta read. It's not even closed, dude. Okay, that one doesn't work. Anyway, it's a lock in case you wanted to put your phone. Yeah.
There we go.
No. So then here are the elevators on the left, and here is the fitness area and the ice machine. They don't have buckets at the moment, but they usually do. And the cups as well, a garbage can below. This is a nice water filling station. Doesn't say, okay, so it's not flashing red, so that's good. They have reusable bottles for sale. And here we go, fitness center is open 24 hours. They have a couple of treadmills, one of these like machines. This is a bike of some sort.
Peloton.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Peloton?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, so they have a fancy Peloton right here. Never tried a Peloton in my life, and I wish I had the energy, but no. So there's weights, a TV that's not on, more weights of all different types and mats. I did show you this in the last location here. And I guess maybe some a stretch. Let's see. Equipment, exercises, workout routines. Okay, that's new. This location. They have the couple of yoga balls as well. The bench. Some towels are supposed to be here. There's only the one. I did notice a couple of things like that where they are lacking in picking up some stuff. Maybe they're just too busy. Not enough people. Trash can, a phone for emergencies. Mood. Oh, okay. That raises the volume depending on your mood. So you could bring that down. That's cool to know.
Excuse me, ma'am, you done with your tour yet?
Yes, I am. And so they even have some mats here against the wall. And if you wanted some privacy, if it felt weird, you could close these. You could close these down, which is nice. Because I think that's kind of weird to have everybody be looking in on you while you exercise, right? And then down here they have the downstairs bathroom for guests or needing an extra bathroom. Laundry staff only, see, I don't think they have guest laundry. So you could pay for that service. So we are going to go upstairs and show you their bedroom now. And so right in front of the elevators, they have this area, the wall, as we call it. Things to know, local things to know, favorite local bars, favorite local restaurants, local shopping and retail things to do, which I think is the thing she's doing right now at the front desk. And then they have this really nice sitting area here outside, which I like, with the little lights. It's like a nice ambiance, right? Nice little flowers. Plenty of seating on the other side as well that has some checkers or some, yeah, I think it's for checkers. Very, very cute little area with lots of cushion and sitting area to sit as a group or whatever. And this is the parking lot on the back end. See how there's nothing up there because there's a huge hill that you might not be able to see. It's too dark right now. Here on level 4, they have a Help Make Dreams Come True sign. They do observe quieter hours from 10 p.m. to 9 a.m. The hotel itself is smoke-free. Our room is actually all the way down here at the very end. We've been inside, but we haven't toured it yet. So we will check cleanliness and everything for the first time together. Hopefully it's clean because we're all tired. All right, the room rate, maximum room rate is $219, which is kind of low for most hotels that we stay at. So maybe it's location or anything because it looks rather nice. I like the wood floor. Over here they have a mini fridge that feels pretty cold. I think that could be adjusted in the back. The table where we have a cooler. They have an ironing board. They have some hangers, an iron. It says need additional storage options, decorative wall hooks, and under the bed. Okay, I didn't even think of under the bed. So, and then they have some hooks over here and some, which is the ones they're referring to. So then we have this huge long table here. So like they said, there is no storage. You could store the suitcase underneath or something. It'll fit, but it's just standing. So, and they have this bucket that they gave you a channel guide. So it's not a smart TV here. There's some outlets in the back there. Plenty of space. A pretty large TV, which is nice. But the desk is basically the length of the entire, like, sleeping space. So it's large. These roll out. This desk rolls out, and this chair does not roll out, so try not to make too much noise. It does have a waste basket. Has another outlet here with this lamp. What I did like is that the AC unit is here, and they did put this on top. Now it's very sturdy and metal, so I'm not sure if you should put a suitcase on it because you obviously be blocking some of the venting, I suppose, but it should work for that. More outlets here. Should have turned on some lights, give it a little ambiance. There's that. And then we have the 2 queen size beds that we'll check right now. In the center, see, everything here is very open, very simplistic, I guess. There's a nice alarm clock and the remote control, the nice more modern phone, more lights here, they're both on. And I guess let's check these beds. Okay. Ugh. This one looks clean. Okay. Maybe a little tiny stain there, not big deal. I don't know about the floor cleanliness. I don't really wipe it down, but I do check all the stuff we do touch. Let's see. This one looks good as well. Yep. So, yep. Looks pretty good. Alright, so, let's see, where's our sheet? Alright, and our view is from the back. There isn't much of a view. In the general area, we saw a Wendy's, there was a gas station, there was a Waffle House, and Fairfield Inn and Suites. But yeah, we're going to show you the breakfast area in the morning and let you know what our opinion of the room was. Then we have the bathroom here, the shower. They have the not soap radio, not radio soap. I'm not sure which one it is, but that Dan likes a lot. That has that lemony smell. Shower looks clean. Looks rather clean to me from this angle. And then they have more hooks on the back. Plenty of towels, some cups, and they do have laundry services you can pay for, which makes me think they probably don't have guest laundry. So there's that. And then they have tissues and makeup remover, hair dryer, and the mirror itself. The toilet and everything else was clean as well. Something I did notice and I wanted to share with you guys is that this is actually a dimming light. So this is how I showed you guys the room before, but you can raise it quite a bit. There's these lights overhead, and it really makes the whole room really bright and really pretty. You know, it stands out. It doesn't seem gloomy. You can turn those lights off from here. You can turn them on, or you can dim them, which is great. So there's plenty of lights in this room. So for now, I'm gonna leave them bright because I really like that feeling. And the AC so far is working amazing. It's nice and chilly, and I can't wait to have a good night's sleep. So we just finished our breakfast and it was a little limited. I've noticed that about Tru Hotels, and it seems like the running joke it's like McDonald's because the yogurt station was out again. So that's 2 out of the 3 Tru nights that we had. But all in all, the beds were really comfortable. Everybody seemed to sleep good. The AC worked really good. So the stay, breakfast, even the food was pretty decent. It was just limited. And so that was it. So if you like this video, if you like these type of reviews, leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us in the comment down below. Have you stayed in this area? Did you choose the Tru Hotel? I don't even know how long this hotel has been here. It feels rather new. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.